Okay, this is my, it's called static arc, but it's actually, here we go, you see that? Yeah. So it's a Mig 140Fl, okay. Got this, it's actually off eBay, but Amazon doing what everybody else do. So I just thought I'd show you how I've set mine up so far. I had to go the other day with it, I had to weld a mudguard on a trailer, and it was so smooth, it was unreal. The adjustments, but I'm going to show you, we're going to start off first with this cable inside here, the wire. This is a fluxed wire, okay, and how, if just in case you lose your instructions, what it told me to do here was put the label on this side facing me, put the coil in, line it up with this. This is your tensioner, which is just needs just a little bit. Feed it through, and as you feed it through, just get it lined up with this. And then what I did was on these instructions here, this switch here had to go onto the MIG side of it. Okay, that must be on MIG. This is your speed, your voltage and your speed for your wire. And all I did was set it on that. It doesn't matter about the voltage. And then on the back, turn it on with that switch there. Not being funny. It's gas or gasless. This is gasless one because the wire is fluxed. Okay, switch it on. Then I straightened this out in a straight line. Sorry about that. 1 second. And pulled the trigger, and it just nice and. Oh, first of all, what you have to do, pull this little black thing back here. Okay, and then this pops off. And then what you do then, you've got a little spanner, a little kit that comes with it, undo this nozzle, all right, and then feed it through without this on and without this on. And then once it comes through here, push this onto there, sorry. So you take this off, the wire comes through, as it comes through this brass bit, okay, then when it gets enough length, put the copper piece back on, and then slide it back on again like that, and that's ready to go. And that's it, piece of cake. That's that bit, that was easy. If you want to use this part of it, bear with me. Okay, the settings, what you have to do, get that back a bit, get you in focus. So this is your, it says gas positive or negative, whatever you want to do, but anyway, but what this does, this substitute then, so you have to change this. It does tell you an instruction, but you've got your positive gas and negative gas there. Okay, so we're using negative gas, we're not using gas, so it'll go in the top one in negative. Okay, pretty straightforward, negative, negative, if you're not using gas. Pop it in, lock it into position. Okay, and then this is your earth, so the earth goes into positive. I know it sounds daft, but so this is what you're using when you're using the MIG. Okay, so this has to be on MIG, that has to go into negative, and then the positive has to go in, which is your ground. Okay, then these are all your speeds. Now you want to do the other way around, which is you want to use your arc welder. What you do then is you undo this totally, and that just lies down. That's it. Change the switch over to arc, undo this one. This now becomes earth. So pop that in there like that. Okay. Pull out your arc welding gun. Pop that in there. And I got to make this one smooth. Okay. Pop him in. Make sure he's in nice and tight. That's him. There we go. Put your welding rod in. And away you go. It's that simple, and it's so smooth. I was just touching, arcing it, and then I just turned the voltage up a little bit, which is this one here. Just turned it up a little bit. It tells you here, MMA current. I got it to about 5, and then it just, beautiful, just like the sound effect. Beautiful. And there we go, swap it all back again. So if you want to use MIG, which I'm going to do today, so undo the gun. Take out the earth, which now goes into positive. I'm learning myself here because I don't want, if I lose the manual, I'm going to be stuffed. Switch it back to arc, because it won't go anywhere. If you leave it on that and switch it all on, nothing will happen. The gun just won't work. Okay, reattach your negative because it's no gas. All right, and away we go. Put the clamp on to your piece of work that you're going to work on, and we're going to try that later on today and see how it works. So if we call this like 8, 9, 10, then what you're doing, if you're doing it with gas, so you just put a gas bottle on the back, you just take that off. Okay, take that one off. Put that one in number 9, put this one in 10. That's when you're using gas with a solid wire, not the flux wire. Okay, so apart from that, then if we're not, I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to use the flux wire it came with. So we'll put that. So we'll put 8 into 9, like so. Yep, and then this one into 10, and that's your earth. Okay, so that's that way round. So 8 into 9, and then earth into 10 when using non-gas, just using the flux wire. Hope this helps anybody with this type of welder. If you'd like the video, please give a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe. That would be great, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best. Just before we go, what I will do as well, I will put some screenshots of the manual, the important bit, not the it's not that. I will put in, not that. Also, I'll put in the screenshots of what all this means for you if anybody loses their manual or doesn't get a manual with their welder. And yeah, I'll put some screenshots in there so you can look at it, take it off, or you can copy or whatever you want to do. All right, thanks again.